Okay, as I promised, today also I'm going to do a biology related video. This also labeled from student as a very difficult lesson, but believe me, this is not going to be a difficult lesson after my explanation. Today we will talk about synaptic transmission. Okay, before talk about the process of the synaptic transmission, you need to know the definition for synapse. So what is synapse? Synapse is the functional gap between two neurons and which is made out of three major components: presynaptic neuron, postsynaptic neuron and synaptic cleft. That's how you have to define the word synapse. Okay, let's see the process of synaptic transmission. Okay, so first of all we need to make the drawing. So this is the presynaptic neuron. Presynaptic neuron. And this is the postsynaptic neuron. And the gap between the presynaptic neuron and the postsynaptic neuron is known as the synaptic cleft. Okay, let's see the process. So first of all, the action potential comes along the membrane of the presynaptic neuron, and the action potential activates the calcium ion gated channel which are located in the presynaptic membrane. So these are the calcium ion gated channels. So when the calcium ion gated channels are activated, calcium ions enter into the presynaptic neuron along the concentration gradient. Inside the presynaptic neuron, there are vesicles. Inside the vesicles, there are neurotransmitters. With the entry of the calcium ions, what happens? These calcium ions facilitate the movement of vesicles towards the presynaptic membrane. And when these vesicles fuse with the presynaptic membrane and releases the neurotransmitter into synaptic cleft. And then these neurotransmitters diffuse through the synaptic cleft and bind with the receptors on the postsynaptic neuron. When the neurotransmitters bind with the receptors, it makes a complex. This complex is known as receptor neurotransmitter complex. Due to the formation of receptor neurotransmitter complex, it causes conformational changes of the receptor and it activates another type of gated channels in the postsynaptic membrane. We call them sodium ion gated channels, and sodium ions flow into the postsynaptic neuron and it creates the action potential. After the creation of action potential, these receptors produce an enzyme. This enzyme breaks down the neurotransmitter and the residues of the neurotransmitter diffuse into the synaptic cleft and then into the presynaptic neuron and gather inside the vesicles, and reformation of the neurotransmitter takes place. Okay guys, this is the entire process of synaptic transmission. This is not something very difficult. If you know the steps correctly, this is something really easy. Okay, this is what I wanted to discuss today. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section, and if you want me to discuss anything else, you are mostly welcome. Okay, let's meet soon. Bye-bye.